Yeah, join me this Saturday from 1 to 6 p.m. The Art of Touch. We're gonna learn some tools to help ourselves, to help people that we love, we care about, to help our patients, clients, field therapists, or just someone who's interested in personal development. This workshop is for you. I'm gonna harness our intuition. We're gonna learn some great tools in this beautiful space at Local Health Integrative. So join me this Saturday again from 1 to 6 p.m. You can go to my website at neuropathresetmethod.com. And I'm offering a sliding scale for this workshop to celebrate the month of June, which is the Shiatsu Therapy month. That's how I started with Shiatsu Therapy 25 years ago almost. So yeah, I look forward to sharing some of my tools with you to help yourself and to help those that you love, your clients, your patients. It's for beginners and for therapists. So join us.